यार दुनिया बहुत तेज़ है, आपको उसके साथ मैच करना है स्पीड को। Hello, I'm Abdul Moiz. I graduated from FAST National University of Computer and Imaging Sciences. Over the past 3 years, I have been working in the software industry as a software quality assurance engineer. The interest in becoming software quality assurance engineer is sparked by a combination of factors. Obviously, some of the common reasons include the analytical and a detailed oriented nature, how I can solve the problem solving abilities, how I can advocate the end user who is the actual entertainer of the system. Attention to the details, the critical thinking, the communication skills, obviously adaptability and the flexibility in different domains, the passion for the quality work. Okay, so if I remember correctly, but it's not in the UWorx, but in my last company, I raised an issue regarding the payment integration. So I looked into the loophole, and if it goes into the production, you can say that it affects client business in no time. Obviously, the robust security measures have the confidence in user to trust the app with obviously their financial information. As a quality assurance engineer, the duty is to deliver bug-free release. So during a regression testing of one of my product, I faced an issue regarding the dead queue transactions. Obviously, I didn't have much knowledge about the functionality at a time, so I collaborated with my engineering team lead Zaheer on how I can achieve this domain in knowledge gap on the queue processes. Obviously, after that, I logged several bugs on this functionality and involved in multiple discussion within the team as well as external stakeholders. Ultimately, the team did some emerging work on that, where we don't have as much knowledge, but we deliver as per our plan in no time. अब क्या कह सकते हैं मुझे यही तो कहेगा, आई डोंट एग्जिस्ट, यू मस्ट बी इमेजिनिंग माई सेल्फ. So obviously, after spending time in the office, I used to engage myself in physical activities. Obviously, going for a walk, jogging, sometimes swimming, or even cricket at the same day. Ultimately, it helps me to release stress and refresh my mind and body. So my advice to my juniors is to build a solid foundation. Even you can go with a foundation which have the strong platform for your future growth. You should have an hands-on experience and continuous learning. यार दुनिया बहुत तेज़ है, आपको उसके साथ मैच करना है स्पीड को. Seek feedback and mentorship. Be adaptive and proactive and respect your seniors. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.